Good morning everyone. Today we will start our 8th chapter of mathematics, that is measurement. In this chapter we learn about units of length, mass and capacity. Okay, so let's start the chapter. So students, let's recall measurement. Students, see, this is a comb. We have to measure this comb. Okay, now we measure this comb with the help of erasers. So count the erasers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that this comb is about 6 erasers long. This comb is about 6 erasers long. Now, how heavy is the pen? Here, one side is pen and the another side is erasers. So students, see clearly, here we have 2 erasers. This means that this pen is about 2 erasers heavy. Okay. Now, how many glasses has the jug filled? This is a jug. This jug is full of water. This jug filled 4 glasses of water. Count the glass: 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 glasses are filled with water and this is an empty glass. So it means that this jug has filled 4 glasses of water. Okay? Okay, now we are doing measurement of length. Students, for measuring length, we use scale or measuring tape to measure the length of objects. Meter is the base standard unit of measuring length. Meter is the base standard unit of length and meter is written as small m. Meter is written as small m. Centimeter is written as cm, small cm, and millimeter is written as small m, double m. Okay. So students, see this scale. This is a scale. This is a 15 centimeter scale. Here we have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 15. The 0 and 1. The length between 0 and 1 means 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Here we have 10 small lines between 0 and 1. We have 10 small lines between 0 and 1. Now we have to measure a pencil. So keep the pencil like this. Now count the box: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means that this pencil is 7 centimeter long. 7 centimeter long. Okay. So students, we have 10 small lines between 0 and 1. This one small line means 1 millimeter. 1 small line equals to 1 mm, 1 millimeter. So it means 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter because 1 centimeter has 10 lines. See, 0 to 1, 10 lines, 1 to 2, again 10 lines, 2 to 3, again 10 lines. It means 1 centimeter contains 10 lines, means 1 centimeter equals to 10 mm, 10 millimeter. Okay? See, 10 mm means 1 centimeter. Okay students, now read the length of the following objects and write it in the box. Here we have to measure the length of eraser. The length of eraser. So keep the eraser like this. Now count the centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means that this eraser is about 4 centimeter long. Next is sharpener. Count the centimeters. 1, 2, 3. It means that this sharpener is 3 centimeter long. And the next pencil. Count the centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This pencil is about 7 centimeter long. Now students, what is the length of this pencil? Students, see clearly. Here we start counting from 1, not from 0, because the nib of the pencil is from 1. See. Now count the centimeters from 1. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means this pencil is 8 centimeter long. Okay students, listen. Meter is the bigger unit of measurement. Meter is the bigger unit of measurement. 1 meter equals to about 1 long step of an adult man. 1 meter equals to about 1 long step of an adult man. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, or we can say that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Same. Longer and taller objects are measured in meters. Which unit will you use to measure the following? Meter or centimeter? Toothpaste. Toothpaste is in centimeter. Comb is also in centimeter. Car is in table is in centimeter, and this tree is also in centimeter. Okay. Measurement of mass or weight. Next topic is measurement of mass or weight. Students, we use grams and kilograms to measure mass or weight of things. The base standard unit of measurement of weight is gram. Base standard unit for measurement of weight is gram. Kilogram is written as kg and gram is written as small g. We use different types of balances to measure weight, like this type of balance, this and this. Okay, these are some of the measuring weights. Gram is smaller unit and kilogram is bigger unit. Gram is smaller unit and kilogram is bigger unit of weight. Gram is used to measure small weights and kilogram is used to measure large weights. Okay. Gram is used to measure small weights and kilogram is used for measure large weights. So students, here we have 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams, or we can say that 1000 grams equals to 1 kg. Both are same. Okay. Okay students, tell me what unit of measurement will you use to weight these objects? This computer screen. The weight of computer screen is in kg. The weight of table is also in kg. Table is heavier. Weight of brick, this is a brick, this is also in kg. Book, the weight of book is in gram. Sharpener, the weight of sharpener is also in grams. And apple, the weight of an apple is in grams. The weight of a single apple is in grams. If we have 3 or more apples, then maybe they are in kilograms. Okay. Now observe the objects and tick the weight that seems to be correct. Students, the weight of table is in kg. It is approximately of 1 kg, not in grams. It is not possible. The bag full with something, the weight of this bag is 2 kg, approximate 2 kg. This is not possible. To have a weight of this bag is 3 grams. Bag, this is a school bag. The weight of school bag is 4 kg, nearly 4 kg. This vegetable, the weight of this vegetable is approximately 300 grams. This is not in kg. Okay. Watermelon, the weight of watermelon is 1 kg or more, but this is not in grams, not possible. And this is again a bag with full of something, so the weight of this bag is 5 kg. Okay. Now next topic is measurement of capacity. Students, we use millimeters and liters to measure capacity. Capacity means किसी बकेट में या किसी बॉटल में या किसी गिलास में उसमें कितनी कोई चीज़ आ सकती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उसकी कैपेसिटी. मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल एक बकेट है, उसमें 10 लीटर्स वाटर आ सकता है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, इस बकेट की कैपेसिटी कितनी है, 10 लीटर्स. ओके. सो वी यूज मिलीलीटर्स एंड लीटर्स टू मेजर कैपेसिटी. द बेस स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग कैपेसिटी इज लीटर. So students, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter, or 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. Same. A measuring jar is used to measure capacity. This is a measuring jar. This is used to measure capacity. Milliliter is used to measure small quantities of liquid. Milliliter is used to measure small quantities of liquid. It means millimeter is the smallest unit of capacity. So students, see this spoon. The capacity of this spoon is about 6 milliliter because this spoon is very small. And the cup, the capacity of this cup is near about 100 ml. Okay. Now students, circle the objects that can hold more than 1 liter of liquid. More than 1 liter of liquid. Students, see this pool. This is a swimming pool. This pool hold more than 1 liter of liquid. Maybe 10 liter, 5 liter, 8 liter. Okay. But this contain more than 1 liter. This bucket also contain more than 1 liter of liquid. And this cup don't contain more than 1 liter of liquid. Okay, because this is a very small cup. This cup contain liquid only in milliliters. Okay. This is a water tank. This water tank may have capacity of 5 liters, 500 liters, 1000 liters. Okay. So this is the right answer. This water tank contain or hold more than 1 liter of liquid. Okay. This is a small jug or cup or mug. This mug don't contain more than 1 liter of liquid. But this is a water tank. This also contain more than 1 liter of liquid. Okay. Now take the capacity that seems to be correct. This is a water bottle, small water bottle. This may contain 1 liter of water but not 6 liters. This is a glass. This glass contains maybe 200 ml of water but not 4 liter. Injection. This contains 10 ml. Bowl. This is a small bowl. So it near about contain 50 ml of something but not in liters. Okay. This is also a water tank. This water tank may be a capacity of 500 liters, 1000 liters and many more. But this is very big. So here 600 ml is not a correct answer. Correct answer is 500 liter. Bucket. This bucket contain 4 liter of water. Okay students. Now let's practice. Take the appropriate unit of length. This is a sofa. This sofa has length of approximate 1 meter but not 20 centimeter. Watch. This watch has 10 centimeters. Table. The length of this table is in 1 meter. Now weight. Take the appropriate unit of weight. Watermelon. This is not possible. Watermelon is not in grams. It is in kg. 2 kg. Remote. This remote is of 50 grams. And this is a fruit. It is approximate 500 grams, not 20 kg. Okay. Now capacity. Take the appropriate unit of capacity. Pan. This pan may hold 300 ml of liquid. Oil. This bottle of oil contain approximate 5 liter of oil. Spoon. This spoon hold approximate 7 ml of liquid because this is a very small spoon. Okay. So students, this is all about our chapter measurement. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.